Hello cellos, this is Miss Duncan and the video tutorial for Chanson Belle, which is the black belt test at the end of String Basics Book 1. So I want to point a couple of things out and then I'll play it for you. The first is the time signature. I see a C, which stands for common time, or 4/4. Our key signature has two sharps in it, so F and C are sharp throughout. And then I want to explain the roadmap real quick. I noticed the first two measures are rest. Those are piano measures. You see the piano accompaniment down at the bottom of the page. Don't stress about that. We're going to start at measure 3 and play through measure 10. And then there's a repeat sign. So we're going to go back to 3 and play 3 through 10 again. And then go on and play 11 through 18. Now, after 18, it says D, C, Al, Fine. D, C means go back to the cap or the top of the piece. So we're going to go back to measure 3 for our purposes and play 3 through 10 one more time. And then we stop where it says Fine, which is Italian for finish. So I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. I'm going to play it andante, which means a slower walking speed. So if you try this with a metronome, I would do it about 80 beats a minute. I'll play it with that roadmap I just described, and I'll even try and do some dynamics. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the only thing I want to point out is at measure 12, when you have those quarter note slurs, take your time. You have a bunch of eighth note slurs in measures 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So that one's going to feel fast. I often hear students who try and go, okay, but they're quarter note slurs this time. So they're 1, 2, 3, okay? So I would invite you, if you have that IPS, that's the app that's available to go with String Basics Book 1, every one of you has a code at the back of your book. So if you have that app, it's going to have a video lesson for this. It'll have the piano accompaniment, so you could play along with it. So I encourage you to download that with your code if you have your book at home. Good luck!